everyone. This is our free mirror showing room. We are professional mirror manufacturing. Please contact us if you have any requirement. Looking forward to collaborating with you.
Beside you,